Welcome. If you're looking to enable microphone permissions for Roblox on your phone and want the app to ask every time before using your mic, you're in the right place. Whether you want to use voice chat or just ensure your privacy, these updated steps will help you get set up quickly and easily. First, start by opening your phone's settings. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, look for the section called Apps, App Management, or sometimes Applications. This is where all your installed apps are listed. Scroll through your list of apps and find Roblox. Tap on it to open the app's settings. Here, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is permissions. Tap on Permissions to see what access Roblox currently has on your device. Now, find the microphone option in the list. Tap on Microphone, and you'll see a few choices for how Roblox can use your mic. To make sure you're always in control, select Ask Every Time. This way, Roblox will prompt you for permission each time it wants to access your microphone, giving you the flexibility to allow or deny access based on your needs at that moment. Once you've set it to Ask Every Time, you're all set. The next time you use a Roblox feature that needs the microphone, your phone will check with you first. This is a great way to maintain your privacy while still enjoying all the interactive features Roblox has to offer. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and pick a different option. Remember, keeping your app permissions up to date helps you stay safe and in control of your device. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your apps. Enjoy your Roblox experience and happy gaming.